This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kumshi benta kajing sedang ya kebenta baar ka Nasha Mukh Bharat Abhiyan campaign 2008 ha West Jenti Hills District ha ka Khatsautari Ujilio 2008 ka Office District Social Welfare ha ringkat ka District Hub for Empowerment Women bat ketenat pulit kila penlong ya kajing ya rally daki arshaka halor kajingma udrak na District Library Minthong. Hashwagane u Ishan Gupta IPS Additional Superintendent of Police ka West Jenti Hills ulaong ba ka jingekon persya ya udrak ka day ka thong ha shi satla ka perthai baro bat kentu ya ki patba bakin lekwen ya ka jing itnat ki saudong saukun ki riti dustur om ha ka jing di drak bat ki jing di penbuan.
Very good morning to one and all present here. It's an honor to be a part of this spectacular event. We are organizing a bike rally as part of the Nasha Mukh Bharat Abhiyan Phase 2. The fight against drugs is a big fight. It's a fight worth fighting. And as we see the epidemic of drugs take over, it is spreading across the younger generation. And of course, all the departments, they are doing their bit. There's still so much to do. Today, as we gather here, it's a very important milestone in spreading the message of Nasha Mukh Bharat. We will be raising slogans, we'll be marching, we'll be discussing with people. We urge all of you to individually as well to spread the message of Nasha Mukti and the importance of living life without the high of substances. There is already so much. Meghalaya is a beautiful state, it's a beautiful place. Jowai, West Jenti Hills, enjoy the natural beauty, enjoy the culture, community, but not drugs and substances. With that, we would like to flag off the march and the bike rally and hope to see you all on the other end of the rally. Thank you.
Hadirin kejingyat rally ubak JK Majau SI ka Anti-Narcotic Task Force ANTF ka West Jenti Hills District ulayat ho lingkot ya ki kendon an bapher baki pulit kin pengat ya ki nong di drug bat ki nong khayi drug bean.
Wat nong wap hakum kini kijat nomor ba ni lani limbakan nimbansi manhatkan manhapsat ini nomor lada fingat hakanikaan katakon kaan gabakian ka Independence Act. Kani kaan katkon ka section lagi nyo kiyang ba all offenses are non-billable and condensable kamot nimbansi hapan kem yati amdan na takumay nadanat ni hapan kem net te amdan ba nga penting ni nakalang pilit ni hapyat katkon kaan tilada lap what's going in hapan kem and nakbalikaan dukas kapan ni susu ba ladalap bagi dibuat ladalap bagi possession mungkin ladalap bagi dominant drugs ladalap bagi kayi kecil penstam bagi kebahagiaan ladalap bagi di kecil penstam bagi kedai sistem mau berkafan nadalap bagi buat lalu dona kamu jumpi kita lajak lai bentang apa kamu kecil sistem kebahaya do kadai hadu sipong hadu enforcement kecil syak set alau lengkap bakapan badladalap bagi kai lai katana hadu sipong hadu enforcement kecil syak set alau lengkap bakapan laku pada pi kisinong senang jangka jual dekat kini kita dalam mentaba what I like ba ulu utraks uluan bro apa kayang kesam jungi apa kibani kesam jungi but what I like ba kini kinong kayi kinwan nakasinong jungi kinwan penjat kinwan pensniu ya kalawai jungi kun sama jungi
Nalor kani kaladan ru kajing penbam smai ban yakun persya na kajing di drug lingba udi nong tudu OC ke Jowai Police Station.
Mentah kasngi
ngin yatali man siem ya kajing kular hapokan nasha Mukh Bharat Abhiyan man pelong om tang yak imlang salang kaying kesem ki paralog hanrayal deru man laik na udrok namar kajingkala kasdang na syapo kumta kular lang man pelong ya ke West Gentil Hills District Meghalaya drug free ngakular bangan siem ya kijing persyang boro hagabor jonga man pelong ya ki India drug free. Jai Hind.
Iwalito, ikre lang wa silong yung mawagdan. Sa ini, pagbuay, nang yung ile, penong sa kadusik o ikuwala. Samjo kadusik help for empowerment of women, dapat mati ya. Ya kini kena Mukh Bharat Abhiyan sedang ke Ministry of Social Justice on Bharat
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi ban ai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki mar bam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.